Here we have the St. Clair Street Railroad crossing in Sullivan, Indiana. This is on the INRD Indianapolis subdivision. Here's the first signal. It has a safe tran base. Here's the emergency information. Crossing dot number is 292329R. Milepost 109300. Got an older INRD dot tag and then an old AAR dot tag. The lights are safe tran 12 by 24-inch lights with general signals, LEDs. Barely see the dots in there. Oh, we got some, I think these are Western Colonnades or Leotech LEDs on this side. One of those two. And then the bell on the signal, and the only bell at this crossing, is a safe tran mechanical bell. That's looking east towards Linton, Bloomington, Indianapolis. And it's, you literally can't see anything, but that's looking west towards Palestine, Illinois, and Newton, Illinois. I'm gonna wait for this car to go across. Here's the other signal. Also, the CSX, CE, and E subs right there, it crosses over. That's a connector for it. But this signal is pretty much identical to the first, except it doesn't have a bell. But we got a safe tran base, emergency information with the old INRD dot tag and the AAR dot tag. Then we got safe tran 24-inch lights with the front-facing lights having general signals, LEDs, and the rear lights having either Leotech or Western Colonnades LEDs. And that crossbuck is made by LNW. So yeah, just a quick tour of St. Clair Street in Sullivan, Indiana. Also over here is the relay case. Not sure what this is. That might be like a defect detector, but there's a lot of them around here, so that look like that. And plus I saw another one that looked like that, except the relay case for it actually said defect detector and this one doesn't, so. But it's got the INRD Sullivan sign right there. So yeah, this is St. Clair Street in Sullivan, Indiana. Over and out.